Welcome, my friends. We're so excited to have you here. Whether you're learning English for the first time or improving your skills, you're in the right place. Today's story will not only teach you new vocabulary and phrases, but also inspire you with the amazing journey of Thomas Edison. Get ready to learn, grow, and discover how persistence can light up the world, just like Edison did. Let's dive in. Thomas Edison was born on February 11, 1847, in Milan, Ohio. He was the seventh and youngest child in his family. His father was a successful businessman, but his mother, Nancy Edison, was the one who had a profound influence on his life. From a young age, Thomas showed signs of curiosity, but his schooling years weren't easy. Edison wasn't a great student. In fact, his teachers found him to be a bit of a troublemaker. They called him too slow and unfit for school. In those days, children were often judged strictly by how well they could read and write, and Edison didn't fit into that traditional mold. His teacher believed he was incapable of learning, and soon, Edison's mother decided to take him out of school and teach him at home. This decision would change the course of his life. His mother, who was a former teacher, taught him to read and sparked his curiosity. She encouraged him to pursue knowledge in his own way. It was through her support that Edison's love for books and experiments blossomed. It's said that his mother never once made him feel slow or less than, which gave him the confidence to trust his own abilities. As Edison grew older, he became more and more fascinated with science. But he didn't have a clear path. He worked a variety of jobs to earn a living, including selling newspapers and working as a telegraph operator. It was during this time that he first learned about electricity and became interested in how it worked. He would often read scientific journals and talk to other engineers to expand his knowledge. Edison's first major breakthrough came when he invented the electrical vote recorder. At the time, voting in government meetings was a slow process, so Edison created a machine that could speed up the process. He sold his invention to a company, but when the device wasn't well received, he wasn't discouraged. He learned from the experience and moved on to his next big idea: the improvement of the telegraph. Edison's ability to find new ways to improve existing technology became one of his trademarks. He wasn't always creating something completely new, but he had a remarkable talent for taking things that were already in use and making them better. In the 1870s, Edison set his sights on one of the most ambitious goals in history: to create an electric light bulb. At the time, there were already experiments being made with electric lighting, but no one had been able to create a bulb that would work efficiently and last long enough to be practical. People had attempted and failed, but Edison was determined to succeed. For Edison, failure was just a stepping stone toward success. He worked tirelessly on perfecting the design. He knew that the right filament, the right vacuum, and the right materials were the keys to making the light bulb work. And so, for the next several years, he experimented endlessly, testing countless materials. He used carbonized cotton and bamboo filaments. He tested different gases, like nitrogen and hydrogen, to find the perfect balance. But again and again, he faced setbacks. Filaments would burn out too quickly, bulbs would break, and nothing seemed to work. The world didn't understand Edison's obsession. His friends and family worried about him. But Edison didn't care about the failures. He had a vision, and he knew that every failure was simply a lesson, bringing him closer to success. By 1879, after more than 1,000 failed attempts, Edison finally found the right combination of materials and design that would make the electric light bulb work. It was a breakthrough, not just for Edison, but for the entire world. For the first time, people could have reliable, safe light in their homes and businesses. The invention of the light bulb changed everything. It transformed how people lived, worked, and thought about the future. Edison's light bulb helped usher in the modern age. But Edison didn't stop with the light bulb. Once he proved that electric lighting was possible, he turned his attention to finding a way to distribute it. He created the first electric power station in New York City, which helped bring electricity to homes and businesses. This was another of Edison's genius ideas, not just inventing something, but making it practical and accessible to people on a large scale. Edison's work didn't stop there. He went on to invent many more groundbreaking devices that would change the world. He is credited with the invention of the phonograph, the first machine to record and play sound, the motion picture camera, and a host of other technologies. His work in film and music helped lay the foundation for the entertainment industry as we know it today. Edison held over 1,000 patents, and his contributions to the world of science and technology were vast. But perhaps his greatest achievement was the ability to persevere in the face of constant failure. He famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 1,000 ways that won't work." His belief in persistence, in never giving up, became a central part of his identity. Even when people doubted him, even when the odds seemed impossible, Edison kept pushing forward. Thomas Edison passed away in 1931, but his legacy lives on. We still benefit from his inventions every day. The light bulb, the phonograph, the movie camera, all of these are essential parts of modern life. Edison's story teaches us a valuable lesson. Never give up, no matter how many times you fail. Success doesn't happen overnight, and it often comes after a long and difficult journey. Edison's resilience and persistence in the face of failure should inspire us all to keep going, even when the road ahead seems impossible. So, if you fail, try again. If you face obstacles, push through. Just like Edison, you have the power to change the world with your ideas, persistence, and belief in yourself. Thank you so much for watching today's story. I hope that Thomas Edison's journey has inspired you to never give up, no matter what challenges you face. Remember, failure is not the end. It's just the beginning of something great. Keep learning, keep striving, and above all, keep believing in yourself. Your dreams are possible, and you have the power to make them come true. English expression of the day. Where there's a will, there's a way. Thank you for watching, and keep shining.